So this is a Reddit post I found about how to actually get connections on LinkedIn. Now, don't skip off the video or don't cut it out because this is actually very insightful and you will get your connections. So, the op said, how do people actually get connections in LinkedIn or how do they even use it? Well, of course, the repliers came in with a rescue because this operator doesn't really know what he's doing with LinkedIn. So, someone says, well, you start posting original content and you comment on others' posts that you like. Send a connection request to someone you find interesting with a message. It takes time. Now, that is really the most important message of this. It really does take time. You do need patience in order to find the perfect connection for you. So, once again, you're gonna have to start posting your original content and what you can do, your skills, your achievements as a person and as yourself. You can also comment on other people's posts so that you can get your name out there. If you're active within the community within LinkedIn, you're of course going to be known by people scrolling through the same thing as you. And of course, you are going to make more connections because you are being seen more and more and more often. So, more people are actually helping with the replies. You can read some of these. I'm just going to scroll through them. And yeah, just don't lose hope and don't lose your patience because it will be a difficult time. That is nothing to sugarcoat. Like, it can be quite hard if you're, especially if you're starting. But yeah, in order to get more connections in LinkedIn, you have to be one with the community and you have to start posting about yourself. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.